Hello students, welcome in the physics class. Today we will discuss a topic here, dimensional analysis, and in which I will give a important numerical related to this topic. Now see here, a question is here, suppose y is equal to e sine omega t. Here y is the displacement, a is the amplitude and t is the time here, and you have to calculate the dimension of omega here. Keep remember trigonometrical ratios, powers of exponent and coefficient or coefficient of logarithms are considered as the dimensionless quantities. So here this is the trigonometrical ratio, that is sine omega t. So here this omega t is a dimensionless quantity. Dimensionless quantity. So here how to solve it? Dimension of omega t is equal to how much? That is dimensionless. So write it n0, L0 and t to the power 0. Because right side this whole have the dimension 0 here, or 9-dimensional quantities. 9-dimensional quantity. So here dimension of omega into dimension of t equals m0, L0 and t0. Now here you have to calculate dimension of omega. So dimension of omega equals m0, L0, t0, and here dimension of t, and you know dimension of time is here t. So here you can write only t to the power minus 1. Or you can write n0, L0 and t to the power minus 1. So here, according to question, the dimension of omega is here t minus 1. Now see another question related to this one. Suppose you have e to the power e is equal to e0, or you can say it here a equal to e naught e to the power minus alpha upon t square. So here this is a power of exponent. So this whole be a dimensionless quantity. So here alpha upon t square, dimension of this one equals m0, L0 and t0. Here according to question t is here time, and you have to calculate the dimension of alpha. So here dimension of alpha upon dimension of t square equals m0, L0 and t0. Now you have to calculate dimension of alpha. So dimension of alpha equals n0, L0, t0, and here t to the power 2. So you have the dimension n0, L0 and t to the power 2. So you are in the condition to calculate dimension such type of constant related to this type of question. Now see another question here. One thing is to be remember here, same dimensional quantities can be added or subtracted. Same dimensional quantities can be added or subtracted. Suppose you have a plus b equals c, and here dimension of a equal to dimension of c, that is ml minus 1 t minus 2. And question asks, what is the dimension of B here? So here, since A is added to B, since A is added to B, so dimension of A equals dimension of B, and dimension of B is what? Sorry, dimension of A is, that is n to power m l power minus 1 t minus 2. So this is the dimension of B. Okay. Now see another question here. Suppose you have S is equal to a t square plus b upon t. Now here is S is in a distance, t is time here, and we have to calculate dimension of A and B. Since this sum, both this accumulated or collectively have the dimension formula same, and this addition is also equal to S, so dimension of this whole is equal to dimension of S. That means dimension of S equals dimension of A t square. So dimension of A into dimension of t square, that is dimension of S. Now you have to calculate dimension of A here. So dimension of A equal dimension of S upon dimension of t square. So you can write here dimension of S, that is distance, so write here L, and here time, that is t to the power 2, so you can write L t to the power minus 2. So here constant A has the dimension L t to the power minus 2. In similar way, you can calculate the dimension of B. So dimension of S is equal to dimension of B upon T whole. So dimension of S is equal to dimension of B upon dimension of T. So this dimension of B equal to dimension of S into dimension of T. So you can write L T. So this is the dimension of B here. So these are the some related numericals, the topic dimension analysis, and see here one important numerical, that is how to relate different physical quantity to each other by dimension method. Suppose velocity in the medium depends modulus of elasticity, or you can say Young's modulus, and density of the medium. So here velocity depends two factors, that is Young's modulus and density of the medium. So first of all, you have V proportional to take power of Y to A and power of D to B. Write the statement, let the velocity V depends power of A to Y and power B to D. ठीक है? Write this type of statement and then write this one. So you have P equal to K, Y to the power A and B to the power B. This is the question number first. Now write the dimension on both sides. Writing the dimension on both sides, you have L to the power minus 1. Here K is the constant and this is Young's modulus. You have the dimension M, L power minus 1 T minus 2 power of A, and that is M, L to power minus, this is density. So here M T minus 1, that is M to power A, L to power minus A, T to power minus 2A, M to power B, and L to power minus 3B. Now you have bases are same, So n to the power minus 1. So n to the power a plus b and n to the power minus c minus 3b, and here t to the power minus 2a only. On comparing powers on both sides, so you got a plus b equals 0, minus a minus 3b equals 1 because the power is 1 here, and minus 2a equal to minus 1. So here you have a is equal to 1 by 2. Now place the value of a here, got b is equal to minus 1 by 2. You have the values of a and b here. So very simply, you place the value of a and b here, k y to the power 1 by 2 and d to the power minus 1 by 2. Make it positive. So here k y to the power 1 by 2 upon d to the power 1 by 2. So here k under root of y by d. So this is the formula for velocity. Okay, thank you.